you could text your doctor, get a same-day appointment, and stop arguing with your insurance company about every sniffle, that's exactly what you can do when you opt for direct practice care, primary care. I've made a prior video about this. Folks have been hitting me up nonstop for more information. I wanted to share this website with you. So, see all these dots? Each of them represents direct primary care practices. If you click on any of these dots, you'll get a pop-up window that will tell you about that practice. Again, this is subscription healthcare. This is a great way to stretch your healthcare dollars. And if you don't have health insurance, or if you can't even afford your work insurance because the rates are going up, if you can't afford insurance if you can no longer afford insurance on the exchange because the prices have increased. Some of you have even reached out and told me you can't even afford your workplace. Some of you have even reached out and shared that you can't afford your workplace insurance anymore because of premium increases. Judgment-free zone, I get it. Direct practice care is a great way to maintain your health, but please pair this with a catastrophic plan. My name is Kim Pfaff. I'm the founder and CEO of Healthcare Survival Kit. If you have questions about this or other things related to navigating the healthcare system, the link is in the bio. Reach out, grab a free 30-minute consult with me. Thanks for listening. Feel free to leave questions for other videos. I'd love to answer them in future. Feel free to leave other questions you have. Feel free to comment with other questions you have about navigating the healthcare system. You've left me amazing questions. I am happy to make future videos about all of those and answer the questions. Thanks so much.